Elementary school children have misconceptions about word problems. They're taught to look for keywords such as more, less than, altogether, and so forth. These can sometimes confuse students, so today we're going to set those habits aside and really look at the problems. We're going to be looking at two problems. My first problem will be for a second grader, and my last problem will be for a third grader. But just to go over, we have 4 different types of problems. There's join, separate, compare, and part-whole. I'm going to read you the problem, and we can decide what kind of problem it is and what grade it would be best for. Bree had 12 books. After her birthday, she had 35 books. How many books did Bree receive on her birthday? So let's look at the numbers that we have. Bree started with 12, and the result is 35. And we need to find how many she had received on her birthday, so there's a change. So this tells me that this is going to be a join problem. The start, a change, and a result. So 12 is our start. We don't know our change. And the result will be 35. To help you visualize this, I thought I would use some base 10 blocks. So we know we have our result is 35. And here we have 35. So we know that we started with 12. So we'd have to take away 12 from 35 to find out our change. So by doing that, I'm going to take away 12 from these base 10 blocks. So 1. So I put 12 at our start. Now I look at what I have left, and that will be our change. And if you look, I have 1 base 10 block, another one, that would be 20, 23. So this tells me the change is 23. And to double check that, you could just take 35, take away 12, which will give you 23. And this, looking at this would be a join problem, like we said, and it'd be perfect for a second grader. Since we've already done a join problem, I'm going to show you an example of a different problem other than join. So let's look at this problem and see what we can identify. Amy has 154 songs on her iPod. 62 songs are rap. How many of her songs are pop? So if we're looking at this problem, we know that she has a total of 154. And I'm going to show you using a linear model, and I'll also show you on a set model, just so you can get the idea. So we know she has 154 songs total. She has 62 songs that are rap. So it's already telling me a part of the problem, which is 62. And it's asking me to find the missing part of the problem. So just by looking at this linear model, I can already tell it's going to be a part whole. Because it's asking me to identify both of the parts in a whole. So we're looking at this, and we know we would have to take away 62 from 154 to find out the other part B. So if we do that, 154, it gives us 92. So 92 songs are pop. And just so you can also get a better idea, we can do it using the part-whole set model. So you have 154 songs, part A, and this is part B. We have 62. So how many more? What do we add to 62 to get to 154? That would be 92.